Welcome to our activated charcoal factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how discarded coconut shells are transformed into premium activated used for water purification and industrial applications.
The shells are thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and impurities. This is done before carbonization. Uniform particle size ensures efficient carbonization and activation. During carbonization, volatile compounds are removed, leaving behind pure carbon-rich charcoal. Steam activation dramatically increases the charcoal's surface area, making it highly effective at trapping impurities. Different applications require different activated charcoal sizes and grades. Every batch is carefully tested to meet strict international quality standards. Efficiency defines every step. Thousands of units move seamlessly through our automated hub. Activated charcoal made from coconut shells is used worldwide in purification, healthcare, environmental protection,
And that's how coconut shells are transformed activated charcoal, from agricultural waste to one of the world's most valuable filtration materials. Thanks for watching.